Hey everyone, so today we are going to be doing the weekly review, and these trades or this analysis was sent out to clients last week on the 6th. So I'm just going to go over what happened since then. So on the pound Aussie, I sent out that once we stayed below this area here, 1.7700, we'll be looking to stay bearish. So let's go to the charts. Let's see what happened on the pound Aussie pair if we did indeed stay below 1.7. And it does not look like we did. We did go a bit bullish, so you could see this is the same analysis that I sent out. So I said if we had pulled back here and rejected, we never rejected here. We went up and we went sideways. We, at the end of the week, came back below. So what I'll be doing for this week is the same thing. I'll now be looking for this market to start moving like this. My bias hasn't changed because we just went sideways last week, which is fine, but we didn't push to say, all right, we're now in an uptrend or we're in a different trend. So my bias is still going to be the same, and I want to be selling as the market moves. I want to be selling the rejections, the bearish rejections, and my stops will go beyond these levels here. So let's see if this week we continue to go sideways, or if this week we have the push that we want and then we start looking for some bearish movement. The next alert that I sent out, or the next set of analysis, was a buy on EuroJPY. So let's go to EuroJPY, and let me just go back here. So I was saying wait on this one. I was saying because of where we were already, we already had the initial push. We were going to wait for the market to come back, right? So push up, correct with making a higher low, and that's when we were supposed to look to buy. In this one, let's see what happened. So the market actually, I remember this one, I had to change the analysis, but similarly to the pound Aussie. So this is where we would have been. The market did push up a little bit more, but in terms of us waiting for this correction, it did not happen. The market pushed down and felt an area, and I sent out an alert and an update, because during the week I also sent updates. I sent out an update telling clients to get in buying this one. So again, no trade on this one originally until the end of the week. So this is a trade that would roll over to this week, but this analysis is going to stay the same. All right, we are going to look to buy bullish rejection. So when the market pushes up, comes back down again, making a higher low, we are going to look to buy this market as the market works its way back up. So I like this one for this week. Once the market opens and stays above this area here of 1.4220. Once we're above 1.4220 with this rejection that we had here on Friday, let's see if we could get a push in the correct direction, and then we'd be looking to continue bullish on the EuroJPY. The next pair that I sent out was Euro Aussie. So again, so two so far, no trades on the two so far for last week, which is fine. Let me see, where was this analysis? This was off of the daily time frame, so let me go to the daily. Right. And I said we'd be looking to buy rejection here. Again, this market kind of went sideways on us, right? No entry, and I shared with y'all what to do in two scenarios because of the area that we're at. But again, we just went sideways, so no entry here on the Euro Aussie. And then we had our big winner for last week, which was the CAD Swiss franc, and this was on the daily. If we go to CAD Swiss franc, CAD Swiss franc, we had a lovely trade on this one, and as I said, I was looking for here. I sent out an update on Sunday evening self, letting clients know to enter based on this rejection. All right, and we basically had the market fall all the way down to this below here, which is our first area of support that this market could bounce at. All right, I am expecting continued bearish movement, because I am expecting this to fall all the way down to 0.6900 area, but we will need some sort of correction. So this type of movement still holds. I want the market to fall, correct. Once we have that correction, I'll be looking to enter bearish selling again. I'm not expecting the market just to fall in a straight line, but sometimes it does. All right, but if you're not in, you shouldn't just enter selling, because we're at an area now where we could see some sort of correction. So wait on a correction and then wait for a reason to enter the trade bearish again, rather than just jumping in this market, guys. All right, so we were able this week so far, no trades on 3 pairs, and we were able to make 277 pips on the CAD Swiss franc. So that brings our total to 277 pips for last week. That was the amount of opportunity you could have taken advantage of with our alerts, guys. If you find this content helpful, go ahead and subscribe, guys, and make sure to turn on notifications so that when I send out these alerts, because this is a review, but I also send out alerts during the week, and you would be able to take advantage of those alerts. But I hope even the review is helpful because it shows you the consistency over a period of time, where you could see that if you had followed the game plans that we are sending out on a weekly basis, you would have been able to make profit in these markets, guys.